Throwing out the window. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, throw out the window. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's explore together and unlock the secrets of this common expression. First, let's break down the phrase, throw out the window, in its most basic form. Literally, it means to physically take something and toss it through an open window, out of the building. Imagine you're holding a piece of trash and instead of putting it in the bin, you throw it out the nearest window. That's the action described here. But in English, we often use phrases beyond their literal meanings to express more complex ideas. In everyday English, throw out the window is commonly used in a metaphorical or figurative sense. It means to discard, reject, or abandon a particular idea, principle, or way of thinking. For example, if someone says, "Let's throw caution out the window," they're suggesting that they should stop being cautious and take a risk. This figurative use is what makes the phrase so versatile and interesting. To really grasp how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. After realizing the plan was flawed, they threw it out the window and started over. Here, it means abandoning a plan that doesn't work. He threw all his previous training out the window when he decided to improvise. This shows someone disregarding their training or preparation in favor of a new approach. In the spirit of adventure, they threw caution out the window and embarked on an unplanned journey. This illustrates people deciding to act without overthinking the potential risks. Understanding phrases like, throw out the window, enriches your English communication by allowing you to convey ideas more dynamically and creatively. It also helps you better interpret the nuances of English, especially in idiomatic expressions or when you encounter them in literature or media. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, throw out the window. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also the beauty and complexity of English language expression. Remember, learning a language is a journey full of discovery and fun. Keep an open mind, and don't be afraid to throw caution out the window in your learning adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.